Hey everyone, welcome back to the Sarasota Edit. Today I'm situated near the desirable north end of Longboat Key at 598 Lyons Lane. This beautiful property has 3 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms and is just under 2,300 square feet. What I also love about this property is the beautiful pool, hot tub, and open floor plan, perfect for hosting family and friends. If you see yourself gathering your closest friends in your backyard and hosting in a spacious kitchen, this home is for you. This coastal retreat is beautifully designed with comfort and intention in every detail. It is private and truly a sanctuary. You feel like you've stepped into old Florida. For more information on this home or other luxury listings, please give me a call, 303-877-0107. I'd love to hear from you.